Today in the grain market, soybeans were lower. It looks like there's a little bit of profit taking to end the week here. The futures did end down today with a 52-cent range. The market is really settling into a channel just for now. Now, weather in South America is still worth watching. Plus, the March crop report is going to be coming up next week, so we've got a lot of things to be watching. The option open interest has expanded quite a bit with the CVOL at 30.2%. That's the highest it's been in quite a while. The soybean oil really skyrocketed to 44.5%, and the meal is at 33.4%. So a lot of action in soybeans. Now, corn today was mixed in spite of the fact that the futures did surge to a new high. It got up to 782 and 3/4 before that pullback down to 733 and 3/4. So that just lets you know that a 50-cent range seems to reflect the uncertainty in the market right now that the traders are juggling. The corn is really following the wheat higher. But notwithstanding other grain news around the world, the open interest is really off any kind of recent charts to end the week right now. So it's really got a lot of explosive growth right now. But the futures did end unchanged, which was a little bit of a surprise, but there's still plenty of support under the market. The CVOL for corn has moved way up to 61%. That's just an indication of just how the markets have been moving as of late. Wheat is the real story today with the limit up again. Futures did surge beyond that 2008 high. The March wheat trades with no limit because it's that front month, and it reached $13.40 today, then dropped down to $12. It just shows all the activity going on. The May contract in wheat did gap up and its limit up and got up to $12.09. The futures just skyrocketed $4 in just the last 8 sessions. From back into February 22nd when it was at 810 and 3/4. Now, uncertainty surrounding the Russia-Ukraine conflict is majorly impacting this market, and worries have turned to a little bit of panic, was really pushed this market up. The last comparable scenario really goes back to 1973, back when Russia had the great grain robbery. This is the kind of market it is right now. The CVOL is at 98% for wheat, which is almost unbelievable. But the way the market's been going, that's the number that really reflects what's happening here. The explosive growth in the option open interest is something to think about too. The growth in the $15 up to the $20 options is, I think, remarkable and something to really take a look at. The market is really facing a lot of numbers that coming this month. So there's a lot more to digest in the market as we end this week and before we start next week.